Nice, everyone. This is the handstand leg switch. So there are a few levels to this. I'm going to start with the basic one. So my hand is completely flat on the floor. I'm going to lean my shoulder on top of my wrist. Make sure you're not far. So I'm here on top of my shoulder, and I'm going to try to just replace the leg. So I need to push off my leg and try to keep the weight on top of my hands as much as I can. So here, change. Here, change. If that's too easy, I'm going to increase the height of my level and keep the leg straight. So there now. Notice that I'm not trying to go up. I'm not doing this. Yeah, I want you to switch the leg fast by leaning as much as you can towards your hand, by getting your shoulder further towards the wrist. The more, the easier it is for me to control the leg. So every time I switch the leg once, is 1 count. So if I'm doing 10, it's 5 on each side. Make sure you're warm on your shoulder especially, and any problems, just let me know. I see you on the next one.